Hi, welcome to my classroom. I am Kelly, and I have a few wonderful things to share with you about using art to help with multicultural education. So I have a couple of cool books that I want to share with you. Art projects from around the world. This is a scholastic book, and it has really fun projects that you can use in your classroom. This is for grades 4 through 6. So, I mean, I've used it with my first graders before, first, second, and third graders, and it has worked fine. So, I don't know how, true that is for grades 4 to 6. I also have the Kids Multicultural Art Book that I would encourage everyone to get because this book is full of really fun things to do. Oh, in fact, the Storyteller Animal Mask. This is what I did for one of my read alouds tonight. It's just a storyteller's mask. It's pretty easy. So grab this resource and use it for years. I mean, you'll use this forever. The other one I really like is art projects from around the world, and this is for grades 1 through 3. So this is getting closer to the pre-K level. I know a lot of my students in my multicultural children's lit class are doing preschool. However, a lot of these transition well into the pre-K groupings, and it's really fun stuff, and it encompasses all kinds of cultures. This is another one that I got that I really like, Hands on Asia, art activities for all ages. So it's got Chinese calligraphy scroll, Korean wrapper and pendant, Chinese hand drum, Nepal snow leopard mask, Japanese stick puppets and the Shinto bird. Just, how much are these books? I don't know, like $10. Get it, check it out, try it out in your classroom. Because if you have those resources, then you can get any book from any culture, and you can scroll through these art activity books, and you can find something that works for them and bring it to life for the children. And if you're using food like we learned last week, and you're using art projects, those are the ways to grab children's imagination and their desire to learn and their love of learning if you're using food and art. So try that and see your classroom become like you want to be the teacher that the children remember forever, right? We all want that. We all want to be the great teacher that children go, "Oh yeah, I remember when I was in her class. That was awesome." You want to be that teacher. How can you do that? Incorporate food, incorporate art, incorporate nature, incorporate experiential things that children will remember forever. Did they go hunt it? Did they go find it? Did they see it with their own eyes? Did they feel it with their own hands? Did they taste it? Did they draw it? Did they make it? Those are the memories that will stick with them. And so if you can bring art to your multicultural children's literature, you've got students for life. All right. And that's my lecture.